2, 3, 4, $500. Now listen, there are so many ways you too can start making a lot of money in dollar. A lot of us get confused because we don't know which one is profitable and which one is legit. But trust me, there is no easy way of making money online. So do not allow anybody deceive you. You need a skill, and you can use that skill, especially an internet skill, to make a lot of money in dollar. Now, just in case you are that person that is ready to learn sales and marketing, because it is sales and marketing that is giving me this lifestyle, helping me to travel to different countries such as this, and also this. Now, listen, if you have this app and you also have this app, then nothing is actually going to stop you. I want you to comment, I want to learn how to sell. Then after that, there is a link somewhere around this video. You should click on it, and then I'll see you when you get started.